You know how everybody hates their own hometown? Like, everyone's always trying to escape the place that they come from. Well, I come from a place called West Texas, and I figured I'd come back and give it one more chance to see how beautiful of a land it really is.
Say that again.
What a day of fun in the sun.
What do you have in there?
Some discs.
Show me.
They told me they were just for the kids, but they said that I could have them.
We're kids.
Okay.
Okay, this is crazy. Oh my gosh. Don't push me. No, 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 no. This is
Just catch a ride. It's like the Mario show. The sand surfer.
I had dreams where I was doing this. Apparently, this is Texas. You know that? It doesn't look like, but it is. And someone asked me if I wanted to have kids. And my answer to that is, I am my own kid. I want to use this. I don't want a kid taking turns with me. I'm sorry, maybe that's wrong to say. Okay, that one is the highest.
Hot. I'm ready to leave.
Okay, let's go. After we finished playing around in the Monahans Sandhills that we literally found in the middle of nowhere, completely by accident, we decided to go to Marfa, which is in far west Texas, probably a few hours before getting to El Paso. And the reason we wanted to go to Marfa is because we keep hearing about these mysterious Marfa lights. Sometimes you can see them, sometimes you don't. Nobody really has an explanation as why are they there. We thought it was worth it to go there and see what it was about by ourselves. Here we come.
Came on the wrong day, looks like.
Looks like.
Everything is closed, but we did find some coffee.
Yeah, my conclusion is like, it's an artsy town.
Yeah.
And usually where people sell art, the prices increase after the place gentrifies.
Yeah, I think so. I think the prices are similar like to Austin.
It's crazy.
But the property you get is like super run down. Look at that. 300, almost 400 grand for this house that you should probably just tear down.
It's a town with a community.
Definitely.
You don't see that in like oil towns. They're just workers. And here the community is the main thing. They do things together. Cucaracha. And a Thai restaurant.
There's a Thai restaurant?
It's a Thai food truck in here.
Are they open? Yeah.
They're open. Maybe it's good.
It's like a drive-in, like a screen. I don't know what that is.
We made our way to Marfa pretty quickly. After all, the town is about a mile wide. And after you see one art gallery, you kind of seen them all. So we really wanted to see this Prada store. This is in the middle of nowhere. And as you can see, it's kind of a hot spot. Everybody stops off on the side of the road to get a gander at the single shoe selection that we have out here in the desert. And then we really wanted to go see the lights. We saw the lights. The thing we saw in there is something that you have to see by yourself. We got some proof that they exist. We're gonna show you what we saw, but you have to see it by yourself and make up your mind about what this is.
This was our Airbnb, our Marfa Airbnb. It's good.
It was good. I mean, and the price was good comparing to the hotels.
No, it's expensive in Marfa.
I mean, expensive. Yeah, Marfa is
It's
expensive.
like $160 for one night.
It's
This
expensive.
house.
It's expensive. But
Yeah.
the hotel rooms were more expensive, like $200.
They were bougie. Yeah, it's super open. They opened it up. I like it.
It has no doors, no doors.
I
Just
feel like
in
I
the
could
bathroom.
get some good, deep, meaningful work done here.
Maybe.
You know?
And many things have happened in this house. It's an old house, but cool. The decoration is super cool.
I need some coffee.
Okay.
And we can just walk to the coffee because the town's like a mile wide, right? So
And people walk in
everywhere. Yeah, they do walk here.
Let's do it.
Wow. What is that? Oh my gosh. Yeah, you can see him.
See them. You see the one in the sky, one of them. And the one in the sky is very beautiful.
Can you see all the stars?